If you've had a knee surgery, any type of hip surgery, arthritis, or just want some general movement in your legs, then this product may be for you.
We're going to show you why.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So the easiest way to use this is actually putting it in bed and doing it. You just glide each leg back and forth, works your knees and your hips.
And you can get some movement.
Yes, and if you're having trouble like right after surgery, say you had a knee replacement or ACL repair or something, you can just use a strap to get the problem side and help pull up with your arms using the strap, just like that.
No more problem.
So it's kind of like a double knee glide. Once you feel ready and it's easy in bed, you can progress to using it in a chair in a seated position. So I'm just using it flat right now.
It works well at the desk.
Yes, you can do this while you're working.
You don't bump your knees.
Watching TV. Yeah, it's not like a elliptical where you go up and down and you can bash your knees on the table, unless you have a moving desk. But if you want to get a little more challenging, you can go...
Or easier on your ankles.
You can go at an incline angle. It's going to work your quads a little bit more this way. This one even has some nice numbers on there, so you can see how far you're moving if you did have a knee replacement. And if you want to switch it up, just turn it around.
A little more hamstring.
Yes, more hamstring dominant this way. If this seems too easy, progress in time. You can start with 2 minutes up to 5, 10, 15, whatever. And then you can also get some cuff weights if you want. And this will really work your hamstrings after a while.
Resistance.
I don't think I'd like to do this for 20 minutes.
There we go.
Maybe I should just do it on one leg and not the other.
Right, big, powerful
for a
leg.
whole month, and then we'll see what it looks like.
Good idea.
So this can be used just for general fitness as well, or if you have arthritis and it's a little painful in your joints, this will be nice, easy movement that doesn't have any stress added to it.
Right.
And it's also very lightweight.
Less than 5 pounds.
So Bob can carry it.
Barely.